In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can earn money online without leaving your country. That's right. Can you know that many people want to live in the United States, in the UK, in the first world countries, just to make more money? And the reality is that with the internet, now you're able to make money online from the internet without having to leave your sweet residence, your sweet home, your family, your friends, where you at right now. Why should you listen to me? My name is Bruno. I'm an established professional on Upwork with 13 years of experience, and I earned over 300K on the platform, 300K US dollars, right? So pretty much what you can do to work on the internet is that you can have, all you need is a computer, sometimes even just your smartphone will do it, and the connection with the internet. So how does it work? So to make money online, there are many opportunities, right? You can become an affiliate marketer, you can become a YouTube channel creator, you can become a digital product seller, you can sell courses, you can do a bunch of things, right? But the internet is so vast and big that you can't embrace the whole world and do everything at once, right? So what I'm teaching you in this video is how you can make that as a freelancer. I have been working on Upwork since 2011, that's about 13 to 14 years. I'm entering the 14th year that I'm a freelancer. I started as a newbie. Even a newbie can start on this platform, and you have to have the right mentality to stick it out throughout the long term, and then you're gonna have your clients coming in, and then you're gonna be choosing who you're gonna work with. So the real deal is you can work as a freelancer to companies in the United States, UK, and in many countries around the world, and you can that way be able to work from home. Get the clients that you like to work with, work in the things that you like to do, things that the market demands, like video editing, arc writer, backlink strategist, SEO optimization, YouTube video creator, editor, and so many things, right? There are so many things that you can do on the internet. And if you want an edge on how to become a freelancer, you can check out the links on this description of this video so that you can see a few things that I prepare for you that are gonna help you in your walkthrough that you can earn a few thousands of dollars per month, right? So what do you need to do? The first thing you need to do is create a profile on a platform like Upwork. Even Fiverr will do if you want. I haven't personally used Fiverr, but I know that Fiverr is a good place to earn money as well, or else you wouldn't be so popular, right? You just check out the YouTube videos. They are available on the internet, and you can see that people are making a lot of money on Fiverr. There's a guy that I saw on a video one of these days. He lives in Mexico, and he's a lawyer, and he's providing trademark services for companies from all over the world. He has a paralegal assistant, and in his company, he's making now around $300,000 per year only through Fiverr. Can you imagine that? So Fiverr is very powerful, Upwork is very powerful. The top platforms in the world are these two pretty much, and you're able to work from home anywhere in the world, right? Anywhere in the world. Pretty much myself, I work here in Brazil, South America. I get to work from home with clients. There are high-paying clients that are nice to work with, clients that are paying a good, very good money for things that I like to do, you know. Nowadays, you don't need to pick up the extringent, right? The very harsh things to do and to work with, like daunting tasks, repetitive tasks, very awful roles and jobs that pay very little sometimes. The times are over. Now there are many opportunities that you can earn well on Upwork and that you can work from home. So there are many opportunities online for you to earn and make money online. And Upwork is one of the best ways that I found, and that has been proven very reliable. Pretty much you have to have the right mentality. You see, people nowadays, they want to make more money, right? They want to earn money, they want to make money through the internet, but the thing is that people want like maybe shortcuts in life to get the results that they want. And with the competition that's out there for opportunities on Upwork, on Fiverr, people get dismayed when they see that they're not getting results for the actions that they're putting in, you know? So when I started as a freelancer on Upwork, I started small, okay? I started making a few, as they call them, Fiverr gigs, right? Small jobs, small tasks. I started doing a few things here and there for a few clients. I started small, started building my reputation on the platform, and then I was able to get the results that I was looking for, right? First I started doing a few small jobs, earning a few $100 here and there, and then once things started picking up, I started getting long-term opportunities that lasted for, let's say, a year, 2 years, 3 years. I started getting like higher-paying clients that paid more, and you have to have the mentality. You know what I did? I continued working in my normal jobs that I had in my country, Brazil, right? Jobs that I had to commute, jobs that I had to go there, you know, and go to the job, take a bus, you know what I mean? Go commute, go to subway, you know, all that. And then what I would be doing is I would continue investing on Upwork. I would continue sending out proposals. I would continue responding to invitations. A lot of people send invitations on Upwork to you, even when you're a newbie, right? As long as you have a good headline, a profile, tips and strategies that I teach here on this channel, right? So it's all about you having the mindset. I had the mindset of continuing pushing through the no replies, the no response cover letters, proposals that I was sending. And once things started picking up, then I started reaping the benefits of my persistence and my patience. So that's the thing you have to have if you want to stand out from the competition. Everybody wants the results that you want. They want to make money, they want to work from home, they want to be able to earn money well while still living in their country with their families. But the thing that not everybody has is the mentality and the persistence to continue to do the things that they need to do in order to continue and pursue and get the results that they want. One of these days I was at the beach with my family. We were celebrating a birthday, and you know what? That was paid with Freelancer money. That's right, a nice view on the beach where we could see the very nice beach here in Fortaleza, and it was very awesome, you know, because it was paid through Freelancer money. Freelancer money gives you the ability to travel the world. It gives you the ability to see and get to know different places, different locations. It gives you location freedom, okay, and allows you to work from anywhere in the world. You can like spend a month in the Caribbean if you want and work there and just live there for a month or so, or a year. You can even move to a different country, work there for a whole year, as long as you have steady income coming in from clients, that you have reliable clients, that you work for reliable companies, that you provide an outstanding service, that they want you to stick around with them. Then it's a good match in a win-win scenario, right? Working as a freelancer gives you a lot of opportunities. It still works in this year, right? That I'm recording this video right now, okay? You still can make this happen for you. One of the things that will separate you from winners to losers will be your mindset. It's, as they say, our biggest enemy, our biggest oppositor is ourselves, you know, because when it comes to stopping us from achieving our goals and our dreams, we are the main thing under God that can stop us, you know, because we are the ones that say that we're not gonna put the effort. We are the ones that say, oh, I don't want to continue doing this, you know, oh, I'm gonna give up this pursuit, you know. So that's the thing that makes a lot of people not succeed in what they do. Either they jump from branch to branch, they try a bunch of different things, they don't stick out with anything, you know, and that's the reason why people fail, the reason why people end up not getting the results that they want, because they don't have the mentality, you know, they don't have the persistence, the resilience that's necessary for you to stand out and get the results that you're looking for. If you want to get results, if you want to see things change in your reality, you gotta start having like a mid to long-term vision of the things that you want to achieve. If you want to become a top professional on Freelancer, on Upwork, you gotta put in the hours, you gotta put in the commitment, you gotta put in the grind, you gotta put in the effort, you gotta show up every day on the platform, you gotta buy your connects, you gotta, at the time that I'm recording this video, you gotta buy connects. Before, back then when I started, they gave out a lot of connects. Today they give like 10 connects, I believe, right now, but that's not what's going to stop you from getting the results that you want, as long as you have the right mentality, you know, because if you say, oh, I want to get the results that I want, but I want everything for free. If everything was free, my friend, nobody would appreciate the team and probably wouldn't even work, right? But I'm telling you here that Upwork works. It has been working for me for the past 13 years. It's an awesome platform. It's continuously growing, okay? So there's a lot of opportunity for everyone. You just have to have the right mindset and the right strategies. And if you want to have a competitive advantage and stand out in the freelancer crowd on Upwork, check out the links in the description. Check out how I can help you acquire my masterclasses, my ebook, and you can see how I can show you how to become a top freelancer and earn thousands of dollars per month with clients on Upwork, right? See you in the next video, and I see you in the links in the description. Talk to you soon.